So I am a certified geopathic professional having more than 8 years of experience. I have 500 happy clients in India and UAE. And many people don't believe this science because they don't have the right knowledge of it, or maybe they did not meet the right person yet. So to understand this science, to understand this concept, let's have a one-to-one meeting so that I can make you understand it in a better way. So my collaboration with Levante Real Estate will help a lot of people to find the Vastu compliant properties, and if there are the properties which are having some multiple Vastu defects, it can be rectified by me, and we can give the clients a complete Vastu compliant property through GeoVastu. You buy a property from Levante, that's when I come into the picture, where I try to see the placement of everything in the house, interior wise, structure wise, colors wise, what all is required to rectify, and what will be the placement of your bed, maybe your study desk, everything that needs to be placed in the right direction. So yes, once you are on board with Levante, I am here to guide you all the way. So real estate and Vastu go hand in hand. Why? Because Vastu is a science of architecture, and all the properties that are constructed, if are constructed with following the basic Vastu concepts, it's going to be more flourishing and more harmonious for people to stay. What is GeoVastu? When we talk about Vastu, we are just talking about the structural placement of things, entries, toilets, gas stove, or where we are sitting, where we are studying, where we are sleeping, all those stuff. But when I'm talking about GeoVastu, I'm talking about the earth energies, because 70% earth energies affect us and only 30% is the Vastu. So only Vastu is not going to help. We need to clear the earth energies, the negative radiation points, the IR UV frequencies. It's little scientific, but yes, it's going to help us to be more healthy. The surroundings are going to be more prosperous, and all the issues that we face in our life can be tackled in a very easier way. So Vastu is more than 5,000 years old science, which was also used by our kings, and they were following them. So the ancient civilization was totally based on Vastu, because so everything that they built was as per the basic Vastu norms. So ancient Vastu, when it was followed, it was basically for king to remain king. So obviously there are no kings now, and we all want to be kings, right? So now the Vastu has been advancedly restructured so that it is utilized for our benefit. So anciently, when Vastu was being followed, it was all about demolition. Whatever was wrong had to be demolished and restructured or reconstructed in the particular right direction to rectify it. But GeoVastu in today's world is the science which you don't need demolition at all. Anything and everything can be rectified without any breakage, without any damage to the property. So my clientele is from all the nationalities, because the science what I do is not bound to any particular religion. So I have clients coming with the issues, say relationship issues, health issues, business issues, and trust me, all this can be solved with this science without any demolition, without causing any damage to your property. Vastu is an Indian science of balancing the energies, and Feng Shui is a Chinese science of balancing the energies. Results could be similar, but the way it is done is totally different. So in Feng Shui, to balance a particular direction or to enhance a particular direction, they use objects. Like they use the cat, they have the frog, and so many other things which they use. But when we talk about Vastu or GeoVastu, we are totally using metal rods, wires, capsules. That's the difference between Vastu and Feng Shui.